Nguva ine zvonzi Harare yovava. Tona kuti the Zeta Rapi police yobhana mastreets. Motikari dzese dzisina registration numbers. Please, billboard subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon. Timina Mzimba vamudonyera vachiti. The Zimbabwe Republic Police has launched a mass operation to impound unregistered vehicles amid fears of unrest ahead of a planned protest on March 31. This follows a series of arson attacks targeting vehicles at private properties and business premises in Harare and Goromonzi, escalating political tensions in the lead up to the highly anticipated demonstration announced by exiled military veteran Leslie Geza. Luxury vehicles linked to prominent allies of Emmerson Mnangagwa, business moguls Wikino Chivayo and Kudata Gurei were torched late Thursday night at their respective business premises in the capital. The attacks come just days after Geza, a former ZANU-PF Central Committee member now in exile, vowed to take action against what he described as Mnangagwa's corruption frontman. Geza, who has been outspoken about alleged corruption and state capture from Mnangagwa's inner circle, specifically named Chivayo and Aguirre key targets in his call for resistance against the ruling elite. His movement has gained traction among disgruntled citizens who are veterans and opposition activists who accuse Mnangagwa of consolidating power at the expense of economic stability and democratic freedoms. Thomas kanobuda panapa vanachiti aiwa panguva ino marara musinomira zvakanaka tiona izvi zvichiitika panguva ine tiona kuti aiwa crackdown yoitika pane vese vanoonekwa aiwa vane mamota vehicles asina manumber plates vaisuspectwa kuti aiwa ndo vari kukonzeresa ilidap aiwa yakomana bomb showcase vari kukonzeresa mamassive bombings emamota vehicles aiwa ye vanonzi zvigananda vari attributed kune mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tine comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.